Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 314. For the regulars, please fast forward to the break. For the guys that are brand new, please just listen up for a few minutes as we go through a couple of the rules and we'll get to the break. This is for one box of Series 2 retail, and it is box 10 of 20 from a sealed case. Not that the sealed case has the exact odds as a hobby case, but it is all from the same case. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL listings, and we will be sure to show that before we open up the box. This ended Monday, June 14, 2021. So, for example, DJ121, he's been with me before. Let's say Carolina Hurricanes was the only team he owns. I'm going to open up this box. There's anywhere from 25 to 26 hits in the box. If there are any Carolina Hurricane cards, I'm going to mail them to DJ121 to the shipping address on eBay. In the unfortunate event that there are no Carolina Hurricanes, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to DJ121 because there was no Carolina Hurricanes to ship. That's how box breaks work. You paid 50 cents per team because the amount of product that needs to go out with Series 2 retail. And so it's a little bit of a group collection to help pay for all the funds, for all the packaging and material that needs to go out with it. So if you don't get a hit, please don't ask for a 50-cent rebate because you didn't get a card with your team. Shipping is a little slow, so please give it a little bit of time. Everybody always gets their cards, so just give it a little bit extra time. Your card will show up if there is one coming to you. All right, enough of that. Let's get to it. Boyle Jesse owns the Oilers. DJ121 owns the Hurricanes, the Jackets, and the Stars. Fast Forward Fish, the second, owns the Capitals. Gamecocks owns the Sabres and the Canucks. Heave owns Leafs. Jake BF13 owns the Ducks. JPJ 1221 has the Devils. Carp 7 has the Avalanche. Mazelma has the Wild. Nikia has the Penguins. ORG has the Rangers. Pistachio has the Islanders. Sasha 6940 has the Coyotes, the Flames, the Blackhawks, the Wings, the Panthers, the Kings, the Predators, the San Jose Sharks, and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Cy344 has our Canadians, the Flyers, and the Blues. Timfish owns the Bruins. Top Carding Collector has the Knights and the Jets. And rounding us out, Bill67 owns the Ottawa Senators. All right, the serial number ending in 88939. As we switch over to the webcam, let's get that out of the way first. 88939, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, everyone. Just want to make sure all systems go. And here we go. Good luck, everyone. First break of the week. We got some more Series 2, SPX, and Trilogy throughout the week, so look for future breaks this week. Our first hit is a Roman Josi Award winners for your Nashville Predators. Congratulations to Nashville. I just go through every card quickly in case there's a French variant or a suit variant. And with retail, there are some dead packs. However, other packs have 2 hits, which makes no sense. Young Gun incoming for your New York Rangers, Brandon Crawley. Congratulations to the Rangers. We have an Upper Deck Portrait Rookies, Kirill Ustomenko. For your Philadelphia Flyers, Upper Deck Portraits. We have a Mikkel Burden, Winnipeg Jets, Marquee Rookies. We have a Connor McMichael marquee rookies for your Washington Capitals. We have a Green Dazzler coming up, but in front we have a Cam Atkinson for your Columbus Blue Jackets. And the second hit in this pack is a John Gibson Green Dazzler for your Anaheim Ducks. I want to make sure we don't time out. Another dead pack. Young gun incoming for your Edmonton Oilers, Stuart Skinner. That one came off like a zipper. We have a Chicago Blackhawks Young Guns, Mackenzie Entwistle. Congratulations to Chicago. In front, we have a Gianni Hakanapa for your Anaheim Ducks, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. And behind that, we have a Victor Hedman, Tampa Bay Lightning, Green Dazzler, or Emerald. I don't know why they don't just put one hit per pack, but what are you going to do? We have a blue marquee rookies for your St. Louis Blues, Nico Mikola. We have a canvas of Kevin Fiala for your Minnesota Wild. Young gun incoming for your Montreal Canadiens, Alexander Romanov. Congratulations, Montreal. Nice hit. We have a marquee rookies green for your Calgary Flames, Artem Zagilden. Congratulations to Calgary. We have another marquee rookies, this time for your Toronto Maple Leafs, Nick Robertson. Make sure we don't time out here. We have a Pavel Francois marquee rookies for your Colorado Avalanche. So these are the regular ones. These ones are the retro version. They're nice when they come in red or black. They're numbered. We have a marquee rookies, Mikael McNiven for your Montreal Canadiens. We have a Philip Kurashev, Chicago Blackhawks, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. Again, guys, it's Monday. Hope everybody's had a good weekend. Young gun incoming. For your Edmonton Oilers, William Lagesson. And there's a Dazzler behind. For your New York Islanders, Kiefer Bellows. Again, I hope everybody had a good weekend. Looks like summer's in its full glory. So hope you guys enjoy the weather a little bit. And hope to see you guys in the breaks this week. We have a Charlie McAvoy, Boston Bruins, Upper Deck Canvas. Very good defenseman. Three packs to go. We have a Upper Deck Portrait Rookies, Steven Lorentz for your Carolina Hurricanes. Congratulations to Carolina. Young gun incoming for your St. Louis Blues, Austin Poganski. Congratulations, St. Louis. Final pack. We end with a Young Guns Canvas. Way to go. For your New Jersey Devils, Ty Smith. Congratulations to the Devils. Nice little bonus card at the end there. And there you have it. Thanks, everybody. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night, SPX and Trilogy.